Hey friends, a lot of users are asking what is Copilot in Windows. So one of the reasons is that in newer versions of Windows, the updated versions of Windows, you won't find Copilot here. Even if you right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings, you will not find Copilot in this list. Okay. And this is the issue. So if you search for the Copilot app, you will be able to open it, and when you open the Copilot app, you will be able to search for anything. Like for example, you can say write a letter to the CEO of a company complaining about a manager. Okay, it may ask for more information, but most probably it will draft a letter. So here's my experience with the Copilot. It is fast. Okay, no doubt that it's not fast, but it is fast. And the second thing is that it can be integrated with a lot of Microsoft Office tools like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Furthermore, it is readily available because for ChatGPT and Gemini, you will either have to download the app or you will have to access it online. But this is an app that will always exist. So this is all about Copilot. You can use it, test it, and know what it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.